Do you have any like organizational tools you use? Do you use like sticky notes or a whiteboard?
Yeah, all the above. We have whiteboards, we have sticky notes. I'm very digital. Like I do not like a lot of paper. I mean, I'll doodle, but aside from that, I've written a whole script. I've broken a whole script on Excel. I've literally put in like log line and like who's in the scene, what makes the scene interesting, what the page length, the estimated page count of that scene is.
Wow.
I'll like go to that. Like I'll be like, this is like most scenes should be about 2 pages. That's average scene length.
In TV?
In anywhere.
Okay.
In my opinion, in any scene. Watch a scene. I mean, again, yes, TV probably, like avant-garde film, it could be whatever, right? But most like dialogue scenes, have a beginning, they start, they end, they complete, right? They just kind of have this. I actually heard showrunner, I think it was on Hannibal. I've heard, it might be not true, but literally you're not allowed to have over or under 2-page scenes. It's really weird.
Wow.
So 2 pages is kind of average. So if it's a short scene, it's 1 page. If it's a normal scene, it's 2. If it's over, it's 3. But it really shouldn't be 4 or 5 unless it's so important, because then it just seems long-winded. So you figure out the page length, and then you figure out how many scenes you have, and it actually works. I'll get down after Excel does the math for me. It says your script will be 53 pages, and I'll write the script without even thinking. Ends up 53 pages.
Wow.
So it kind of just that's one crazy way to do it. Not everyone does it that way, but like whiteboards. I like cards, note cards. Once you get it, you can move it around. You can see once you get to each scene, you can move them around and see where they fall and what the act breaks are, that type of thing.